Welcome to Session 4 of Configuring Your RMS System. In this topic, we will take you through the RMS recommended settings for adding traditional tariff lookups. Lookups are the final piece of adding traditional tariffs. They are the element that holds all of the sections together. We have already looked at how to add tariff types, tariff periods, and tariff tables. The lookup section links these elements with your categories to form a tariff which can be automatically calculated when adding your reservations. Select Setup from the top navigation bar. Select Per Night's Tariff Lookup from the list. Select Tariff Lookups from the sub-list. Select Add at the bottom of the screen. On this screen, we will work around in a U shape, starting with the tariff type, then category, to the period, and finally the tariff table. We find that to make this process easier, it is best to tell yourself a story about making a reservation to make it all fit together. For this example, we will be adding our lookups for our studio apartments. Therefore, if we were making a reservation and selecting the tariff type of standard rate in a studio apartment and the period was currently low, then which tariff would I want to apply? Once you have each element selected, select Save Next. If we were making a reservation and selecting the tariff type of standard rate in a studio apartment and the period was currently Christmas 2012, then which tariff would I want to apply? Some extra things to note about this screen are the sticky check boxes. By ticking these boxes, when you choose Save Next, the selection beside or above the box will hold. An example of why to use this is where you only have one tariff type. By ticking the sticky box to the right of the field, it will hold this tariff type throughout the process. You will note an area column in the center of the screen. If you are using this tariff for RMS Online, this element should not be used. If you are not using this tariff for RMS Online, this feature allows you to link different tariff tables to specific areas within a category. Lastly, under periods, you will note an option of all year round. RMS recommends using this period for any free of charge tariffs you may wish to enter. As they are free of charge, it is a tariff table that will never change with your periods. We will now select Save Exit. To learn more about tariff lookups, choose Help in the top right corner of the screen or click once on the title Tariff Lookups in the knowledge base for a complete breakdown of this feature. That brings us to the end of the topic Adding Tariff Lookups and the end of Session 4 Configuring Your Tariffs. We will now move on to Session 5 of Configuring Your RMS System.